Let's make a video into text. So this is my video. Now I'm selecting the text tool, and here I'm simply typing my text. Highlight your entire text, and under essential graphics panel you can increase your text size, or you can use the selection tool and you can easily drag your text to make it bigger. And then here you can make the text vertically alignment, and then highlight your text, and here you can change your text font family. So go ahead and first of all customize your text according to your choice. Now go to effects panel and search here track matte, and you have to add this track matte key to your video clip. Don't add it to text clip, just add it to video clip, and then go to effect controls, and under track matte key here matte, click on this matte drop down, and here you have to select the layer or video which video you use for your text. So my text video is version 3, so here's I'm selecting version 3, and that's it. As you can see, my video now into a text.